it's a win for them, and I think the guys, especially our team, I think the way we wanted to shape up, especially in the midfield, to deny them that space, that overloads that they were doing, especially on the rise there. Yes, a few times they managed to go on the rise there with the overloads of Alende coming late, and then Mudau being the one that is ahead. We worked on them, and then the spaces that they want in front of the defense, our centre backs there, we really worked on it, and the shifting was good. I think up until we had an unfortunate goal of own goal, and yeah, we continued, but we had to now to step up a bit again. Second half, we went half time 1-0, and then we had to step up a bit and also try to put a little bit people that we think that we can press a little bit higher and work a little bit higher now, trying to win the balls as high as we can. That's why today Munar was in a different role, and then yeah, we managed to get them, and the difference was that it's if the Sundowns got chances, they used them. We got our chances, we couldn't convert them, and that was I think the difference of today. That playing wise, yes, we tried, we worked hard, we played, but the chances when we got them, we couldn't use, we couldn't convert. But then they got the chances, they converted. Yeah, of course. Towards the end, you are trying to push for even a goal. That is why now the spaces started becoming more and more. We are now more compact, and I think towards the end it was because we were chasing the game, but they had more of the ball, and you could see that the third goal would come because we were trying to chase the game. And yeah, that's the way I saw it. But the credit must go to the guys. I think they fought. We played well tactically. They worked it. Yeah, we might think that no, we're City. We're not City. We know that we knew that the way they play, we have to respond to the Sundowns. The way they play to deal with their rotation that they are doing, and the balls over the top. So we knew, we planned, and we knew that the second half will push, and then we'd get the opportunities. Unfortunately, we couldn't convert them, and we got, unfortunately, the on goal, but we moved. Yeah. Unfortunately, the previous game, especially from the poles, and then when it landed on him. Even today, he tried to tackle, and he was trying to defend. I don't think that getting on goal 2 games in a row, it can be an alarming. Just that make sure that we try to support him, encourage him, and to make sure that he's concentrated. And yeah, it's just unfortunate that at that moment it's him that is at that space at that time. And Keleto, yeah, he kept on going, Keleto, and with the energy of Keleto, you always think that, or you always know that the opponent cannot relax. It's just like I said to you, it's up to us, not only him. It's up to us if when we get the opportunities, are we gonna use them? So yeah, we'll keep on pushing. We will work, and the 7th game. Yeah, in the league now we have lost 3 games. Yeah, it's something that we need to have a look at. But you can't say the players today, they did not fight. I think the effort of today was better than the effort that we put last game, and it was very unfortunate and positive that when they come the next game, we put the effort like this. We worked hard like this. We'll get something in the next game. Thank you.
9 out of 10 times, you will just hoof the ball up front and the English position, and then someone's come. And with modern football these days, teams try as hard as they can to play from the back end. Was it an instruction, or is it you maybe?
We were chasing the game, and the decision, if it likes that we play, then we can play from the second ball. It's not a problem, because Sundowns, they will counter press and they will put you under pressure. And last time when we played here, we got caught playing at the back, and then we got put under pressure and we won the ball. So maybe psychologically, the players, they still remember, hey, if we start playing too much at the back there, we might make a mistake, and then it becomes a problem. secondly, you could see they put water, you water the pitch to make sure that the ball skids in the ground. So it's always better. As a goalkeeper, you love to lose the ball away from your goals than closer to your goals. So you just need to work on the second ball when he is playing. It is called long.
But when the situation allows, you can.
We have been playing. We started the ball at the back. We played when the situation allowed. When they were not pressing us high, but Sundowns will always press you with 3+2, and they come with a lot of aggression. So if you see danger, you don't want to try to activate it, and then the 3+2, when they come, bypass them, and when you bypass them, you go over the top and let's see and play from the second ball.
Last question.